Hello, this is Teresa Graves. I am going to give you a tutorial today to show you how PebbleGo works. The first thing I would like you to take note is that on the screen you see that all the information comes in English and Spanish. This is particularly of great use to my school because we have a very high population of Spanish-speaking students. So this would be a great resource to use when the ESL teacher is not in the room. So if you take a look, we have different categories. We have animals, science, biographies, social studies, and dinosaurs. Animals, dinosaurs, and biographies are pretty self-explanatory. So I thought we would take a look at the science and the social studies. So if we click on science, you can see that there's earth science, physical science, life science, engineering, inventions, math, technology, shapes, methods of making art, and measurements. So let's click on measurements. And if you go in, it will show you different measurements. So you could do length, metric versus the customary, and time. Once we get into the area that we want to go into, it has different tabs that you can click on. And it can actually read it to the students. Okay, and they would have their headphones in. Then at the end, it has related articles, which would take you back to the two areas that you have not viewed yet. And if we scroll down, there are activities that the children can complete. This would help them cite their information. We need to start this at an early age. This is for grades K to 2, so it's very important to start teaching them to cite their information from a young age. Then we have the articles. Sorry about that. Activities that the students can complete. So show what you know, the actual activity, and questions for understanding. And the teacher could print those ahead of time so that they were ready to go. A lot of times if you have a printer in the room, you could let the student pick what he or she would want to do so that they have a choice in their learning outcomes. And then if we go over here, we have a video that the students can watch on the same topic, which we picked was time. So it's very nice. It has all the things in it that a student would need to conduct research, to complete the activities, to show that they have mastered the information. But we can go back home and go over to social studies. And if you see, social studies is set up generally the same way, but there are obviously more subjects or topics that the students could choose from. It's very easy to navigate, very simple. If you just go on the website and you play around a little bit, you will see that going through it can be done with ease. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you.